to Tech. In this video, I want to do a teardown of these spray bottle fans. I want to see how they work, and I want to see if there's any parts worth salvaging. Let's get started. First, what I'm going to do is do what I always do. See a screw, take a screw, see a screw, take a screw, and remove all of the screws I can find. Having difficulty with the size of the screwdriver, it's a little bit too big, so I need to find the right one. And there, the right one works. All the screws are now removed, and now simply open up the housing. As you can see, it's a very simple circuit. All it is just a DC motor with a little slide switch. Okay, so this one's very basic. I can definitely use this slide switch for something because I always use slide switches for everything, and a DC motor is always very handy. And now let's see what's inside of this spray bottle fan. And then again, see a screw, take a screw, see a screw, take a screw, and remove all the screws I can find. Pop out the DC motor, and whoops, I accidentally broke it. But that's okay, I guess I did a extra teardown. Now I can see what's inside of the DC motor. Trying to look for some other components, and I can see there's a push button lock switch. Push button lock switches are very useful, and I can definitely use push button lock switches for future projects. And this little DC motor, let's do an extra teardown and see what it looks like inside. This part here connects to the voltage, and now simply pull out the shaft, and you can see there's a bunch of magnet wire wrapped around this iron core, which creates the electromagnetic field, which allows the DC motor to spin. And there you have it, here are all of the items that I have salvaged. These screws are very handy, this DC motor I can definitely use for a future project, and of course slide switches are always very handy. This push button lock switch is also very useful. You can definitely use that. And this broken DC motor, what's inside I can definitely use, which is this magnet wire or copper insulated wire, which is always very handy to use for many different projects. And there you have it. Now you know what's inside of a couple of spray bottle fans, how they work, and what kind of parts that are worth salvaging. Thank you for watching Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified of future Tech videos. Till the next tech. Goodbye.